Okay, so today I'm going to be reviewing the ZealSound Professional Studio Microphone, and this is my first time getting one, and I'd like to show you like the process that I use and how I'm going to be using it. So I'm going to start, just like open it up, get it all out, and show you guys. So I did buy this off of Amazon, so if you're wondering what it is, you can go onto there and find the same thing. And I'm going to get out the microphone first, which it does come with that. It comes with adapters, in case you're wondering. This will be like showed farther in. It does also come with the boom arm. It's all packaged in this foam. It comes with a spittle guard or whatever. I'm not really sure the technical term for that. And it comes with all the parts you need to install on it. So I'm going to get it all unpackaged and show you guys when that's done. So I wasn't sure about this at first, but it does come with an adapter for iPhone. It does have that as well, in case you were wondering. It also has the C charger, so in case you want to use a Samsung. It comes with all these parts, and I'm going to put them together. This doesn't count. I'm not sure what's in there. And those are all the parts that it comes with if you buy it off Amazon. And I'm not reimbursed for this, so this is a personal review, and please keep that in mind. Okay, so I have now set this up, and I'm not using any like microphone right now. And it's got the spittle cap on. It's got all the buttons in. You do need to plug this in into the top. I'll show you that later. I need to have it all set up. Down here, you do need to attach this right here, and you need to screw this in. This does come in screwed, so you don't have to unscrew it. This does swivel right here, so if you want to adjust it like where it is, see, I can spin it, and it will turn and adjust itself. Well, I guess you have to self-adjust it, and then the cord, it is a USB. But that's the cool thing about these, is it is a USB adapter. So this is the iPhone one, and this is the C plug-in one. And both of them fit very nicely on it. Can't show you that right now because my other hand is full, but it does fit on there. So now I'm going to show you guys that real quick. Okay, so the real question was, did I need a headphone? Yes, you do. You need one with an audio jack, and I'm assuming this is what an audio jack is because I'm smart like that. These are some echo settings, which you can turn. You can also turn the microphone. This is spinnable. So if I want to go ahead and reduce my echo, that's a lot less echo. Okay. Then this is like how loud it is, like through your headphones. So if I turn that up, I hear my voice a lot more. This is the mic, which is how much sound it picks up. This is less. If I want to mute. But now you can hear it again. And what I did just say is that I said something. So, that's pretty cool. And that's the test. I'm going to do some gameplay recording like this, and I'll show you guys. Okay, so I'm going to start recording. This is my, like I'm playing Call of Duty with my dad. So if you hear that, that's fine. If the audio is too loud, I'll turn it down. Let me know what you guys like prefer. Do you want it louder, quieter? Because I know some YouTubers do make it quieter. Let's go. Ooh, I hate search and destroy. Oi. Off we go. Let's use my AK. Because that's how we roll. Or maybe... What do I got? I don't even know what I got half the time. I'll just go my AK. Oh, cool. We're first.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
I am going to edit out the boring parts of this video, so if you want to skip ahead to those, that's completely fine. Wow, I really know that. Oh, there was somebody. My game audio disappeared. Why did that happen?
Destroy the
I don't got anything. That is cool. Maybe you guys can hear something, but I don't, so...
Enemy contact.
Oh, hello. I'm gonna go ahead and change that after this.
Destroy the objective. We got the bomb.
Watch out! Flashbang!
Bomb drop.
Where the flip did they go?
Contact with enemy. Last man standing.
Okay. Last round.
Ready up.
Ooh, I forgot I had a shovel.
Defend the objectives. The enemy has the bomb.
Contact with enemy!
Bomb has been planted.
Target down! Enemy contact! Snipe down!
Oh, somebody else got me.
We're the last one. Complete the mission.
Yep, we lose. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in to today's video, guys. That was my first try doing this, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.